In this short video tutorial, we will start understanding the content tags that we write in the body section of the web page. In the previous tutorials, we have understood about the container tags, in which we discussed about the div, table, and the span tags. Now, starting with this tutorial, we will discuss the content tags that we write in the body section. The very first content tag that we will discuss is the heading tag. Now, when you write content in your web page, you have to give some headings to your content. Now, there are six different headings that you can give to your content. These headings are written using the H1 till the H6 tags. So, if we write H1 and we close this tag, then this tag is used for giving the heading which has the largest size. So if I say this is heading 1, so this is the first heading that we have given in our web page. Now there are six tags, H1 till H6. Let me first show you how the H1 tag looks like. So I've saved this HTML code. Let me open the browser and refresh the page. So this is the output of the previous code that we wrote. Now let me refresh this page, and over here you can see that heading H1 has been displayed by the browser. So let's write other headings also. So there are six heading tags, H2, heading 2, and we will close the H2 tag. Let me copy this and then paste H3, H4, H5, and H6. So H3, H4, H5, and then H6. So this will be H3, H4, H5, and H6. Let's change this also, 3, 4. 5 and 6. So I will save this code, open the browser, and when I will refresh, you will notice that all the headings will be displayed by the browser. Now the browser has displayed all the headings. Now look at the size of the headings. H1 has the largest size, whereas H6, the heading 6, has the smallest size. Also, the heading 1, the H1, is treated as the heading that describes the web page. So it is also very important from the search engine optimization point of view. So there are six different headings that you can use in your page by making use of the H1 till the H6 tags. So with this, I hope you have understood how you can add headings to your web page. So with this, we will end this short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/web development. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.